What? Okay. We're gonna put this on YouTube. We're gonna put this on YouTube. A waterfall. Hello, YouTube. JT Game Boy here. Richie boy. Going across the creek here. Gonna try to get a nice Facebook picture here to put on Facebook for his Facebook account. If you can hear me, I'm actually talking. The water's really loud and it's windy. That's why the camera's a little bit shaky. But check out this waterfall. Isn't it beautiful? That water's beautiful too. Take a look down the creek there. Creek, whatever you want to call it. How is it, Richie boy? As you see, there's like a little walk thing here. How is it? Is it good? There's a lot of water falling down there. He's gonna try to climb it, ladies and gentlemen. By the way, do not try this at home. Rich, get closer to the water and I'll take the picture. Are you ready? Hold on. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. Had to take a picture. So, this is Richie Boy's descent. Tell you what, this water produces a whole lot of wind. Imagine if the creek was high. Where I'm standing, there would be water probably. Hello, Richie. This is going on YouTube. Huh? That look good? Yeah, you want to see it? Yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we just ascended this hill. There's the waterfall, as you can see over here. We're going to make our way up to there. That's where we just were. Goodbye. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we have made it to the top now. As you can see, it is a good ways down. It doesn't seem like that far, but in real life it is a good ways down. Hi, Rich. Okay, let's take a nice picture. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've made it. I just took a picture of Richie right across the hill here. We were down there, we went up there, walked up that way, went around, now I'm back over here. So, hello Mr. Richie. Okay, toodaloos.